So if you're trying to fix your Instagram notes feature not showing on your Instagram account, then what you want to do is click on your profile right over here. And then from here, you want to click on the three lines on the top right corner. And then what you want to do is click on settings and privacy. And then now what you want to do is scroll down until you find what says account type and tools right over here. Just click on that. And then now you want to switch to professional account. Switch to professional account, continue. Choose a random one, doesn't really matter. So from here, what you want to do is switch back to a personal account. So just click on the three icons, go to settings and privacy. And then now what you want to do is click on creator tools and controls. And then now what you want to do is click on switch account type right here. And then now just click on switch to personal account. All right, so now once that's done, then basically your Instagram account has resetted. And now if you scroll over to your DMs, you should have your notes feature. However, if you still don't have your notes feature, then don't worry because I have one more method for you. What you want to do is go to settings again, and then you want to scroll down and click on help. And then now you want to click on report a problem. And then now you want to click on report problem without shaking. Don't include and continue. And now I just want to explain to Instagram that you want to get your notes feature. So hello, and then just click on send. So now